My name is Ajay Tiwari and I'm going to demonstrate my project customer support messaging app which was given to me as an assignment. So yeah, I have opened two browsers here to demonstrate the functionality of multiple agents logging in at the same time in the inbox and replying to different conversations. So this is the landing page of our app, either this or this you can see in any of the browser. So let's begin the demonstration. On the landing page, you can enter as an customer or as an agent. So first, we should enter as an agent to see the inbox. Uh, let's give the agent name as Ajay and continue. And these are all the messages which was given to me as the CSV file to insert in my database, and I have used the Neon Cloud database here for my project purpose. So here you can see all the messages and conversations loaded, and if any of the conversation is a agent want to continue, he first has to get the access for the conversation. Like, he should be handling a customer at one time, not multiple agents should be answering a customer's query at the same time. So here I have added the feature of claim response. uh, let's select a message that has not been claimed. Okay, so we'll create that, and we also see like this inbox is being auto refreshed every 5 seconds, and these messages which are here are sorted based on the priority wise, high to medium to low. And on the second hand side, we'll enter as a customer here, and we can give a new ID or an existing ID. Let's go with the new ID, and here's the tab of view conversation. And because we are a new customer, we haven't had any conversation. My conversation box is empty right now. I can type a message. So I am basically copy pasting a message which I have kept for demonstration purpose, uh, and send message. So see, the message has been sent, and you will see here the message has been auto refreshed. This is customer number 7, and see, the message is same. I have applied for the loan and waited to check. Like, you can see that the customer's message has been assigned a medium priority, and this is reflected on the right side browser, and it has been auto refreshed by its own. And the tech stack I've used here to demonstrate to implement this is WebSockets. And now you can see, like, here the agent has the option of first claiming the conversation. Before claiming the conversation, agent cannot move further. He or she first has to claim the conversation, because at one time only one agent will be talking to a customer. Although the agents can see all the messages which are coming on the inbox side, but only one will be responding. But at the same time, multiple agents can log in at the inbox. I can show you here. Enter as an agent. Let's suppose this is Nidhi, and continue. So you can see they have all the access to open the inbox at the same time, and even see the message. Now both the customer 7 is not being handled by right now any of the agents, so both are seeing the option of claiming conversation. But if I claim the conversation by any one of the agent, the other cannot claim it, and the agent that has claimed the conversation will only be able to reply to the conversation. You can see here the send reply button is disabled, and the can response button is disabled. So let's suppose that Nidhi has claimed the conversation. So yeah, you can see this conversation is right now handled by Nidhi, and here this is unassigned. You can just refresh it, and you can see like the handled by Nidhi, and this is not being handled by me. So I cannot send the message. Now the option of claiming conversation is also gone, and here the option of sending reply and checking in canned messages and typing your own reply has been enabled. Now the canned responses I have kept here because this was one of the feature that needed to be implemented in my app. And you can see here it is for loan under review and send reply. Now the reply has been sent to the customer. And you can see here the customer which was logged in as customer number 7 has also seen the reply in his conversation box. Now what I wanted to like demonstrate is like uh, multiple agents have the access to reply. Multiple agents have the access to see what messages are coming. And uh, the UI is there to send and reply and canned messages. And one thing I wanted to also demonstrate is the search functionality. Here are the two queries through which you can search, either through messages or by customer ID. For example, if you want to search by disbursement, you can see all the messages which has disbursement in it is there. And if you wanted to search by like ID also, you can like type 2926 and you will be getting all the messages that the customer has been sent. And this was the part. And I'd like to demonstrate one thing again, like how the priority of this message has been assigned. And I will talk about it a bit later too, that how I have implemented it in my code base. So for that, let's just go back and enter a new ID, 8, view conversation. No customer has that ID, so we can type a new message. And I'm taking another message for that part. Send message, and message has been sent. And here the okay, you can see the it has been auto refreshed. Customer 8, priority assigned high. Nobody has claimed the conversation till now. Suppose Ajay claims it now. This is handled by Ajay. Nidhi cannot answer it here. Only Ajay can, and Ajay can send the replies. Uh, and Here the customer can see whatever chats they have been having with the agents. So this was all the demonstration part. I suppose I have covered all the features. And let's move on quickly to the code base for a quick glimpse. Like this is the part where I have coded my priority assigning part. And this is in the root directory, CS messaging app backend folder. And in backend folder you can go to utils, source utils, and it will have priority engine. So basically I'm using here like a rule based system. I have assigned some words to the high urgency words, some to medium intent words, and some to frustration keywords, and I have assigned points to them. Like if the word is a high priority word, it will be giving a score of +3. If it is a low priority, medium priority, +2, low priority, +1. And if the whole score is greater than it is being assigned a high priority. If the score is greater than 4, it is being assigned medium priority, else it is being assigned low priority. So this was the urgency logic I have applied. And this is the backend folder where you can see all the routes, all the views, and the server file. Everything is here. I've used the Neon PostgreSQL database for my storing all these data. And this is my front end folder where I have used React and White, and React DOM for navigating part. And these are the pages components. These are the other components needed. And this was the API handling TypeScript file. And this is the app file where all the components are uh, being rendered. Okay, so that's it, I suppose, from my side, and I'm hoping for a feedback from your side. This was a fun and learning project for me, and thanks for the opportunity. Uh, Thank you.